Hey, what's up folks? I'm continuing my Parkside exploration quest. Today I'll be reviewing this battery operated screwdriver. This is the model with the 4 additional attachments: torque setting attachment, offset attachment, angle attachment, and a cutting attachment. The model is C4. It's not the latest model. If I'm not wrong, the latest is the D5 model. The price is 25 euros in Bulgaria. The tool is powered by a 4 volts lithium-ion battery, 1.5 ounce per hour, maximum torque 5 Newton meters, and the no load rotation speed is 200 RPMs. By battery power, it's the same as this cordless screwdriver. 4 volts lithium-ion battery, 1.5 ounce per hour. The rotation speed is 215 RPMs against 200 on this unit. I don't know the torque level of this screwdriver. It's not written anywhere on the package, but later in the video I will compare the performance of the both machines. This is the content of the briefcase: the 4 additional attachments, charging adapter, USB-C charging cable, some really basic bits with bit holders. Let's take a look at the screwdriver itself. Two LED work lights. We have a LED indication for the direction of rotation. Here we have one rubber cap. Unfortunately, the trigger is not speed regulated, it's only on and off. Let me show you how to use the attachments. Basically, you can insert them in virtually any position you want. But sometimes you have to press the trigger for the spindle to lock into a different position. This is due to its hexagonal shape. Like now with the angle attachment, it won't go onto the spindle, so you have to press the trigger, and voila. Virtually in any position you want. Let's try the cutting attachment. With the cutting attachment you have to observe the direction of rotation. It can be used only with this direction of rotation marked over here. And the torque attachment. Let's do some really simple tests and verify the power of the machine. I will start with this 5 by 50 millimeters chipboard screw. For only 5 Newton meters, I think it's performing quite well. Continuing with 5 by 60 millimeters. And lastly, with this 5 by 80 millimeters, let's see how it performs with it. And I think that's the maximum, no need to torture the machine any further. Let me demonstrate you the huge difference between the two machines. This one, it might has the same battery and the same no-load rotation speed, but it's way weaker than this model over here. I'll be using the longer positive 2 chipboard screw. I see no point in demonstrating you the advantages of the torque, offset and angle attachments. You should be well aware of them. I will only demonstrate you the cutting attachment. I think it's the most interesting part of the set. Let's see how it handles this cardboard. You have to apply some additional force when going over thicker cardboard, but the machine is making amazingly fine and straight cutting lines. I'm not sure how long the battery will last, but for some hobby application, the cutting attachment is simply amazing. In conclusion, I think it's perfect for its price. Its direct competitor, Bosch IXO, has a price so high that I even don't want to recall. That's all from me for this video. If you'd like it, you know what to do.